Hi guys, this is the Code with Ilyasoft YouTube channels, and today we are going to start the unlimited C Sharp training means course. Ilyasoft software company offer this free of cost course for our viewers, which is on our Code with Ilyasoft YouTube channel. So in this course we are going to study each and everything all about the C Sharp, including basic and advanced with code example inside in the Visual Studio. So if you want to learn the C Sharp basic and advanced in each and everything inside in the C Sharp, so first please install the Visual Studio community and then get start this Code with Ilyasoft unlimited C Sharp course. So let's get started and learn each and everything include inside in the C Sharp. So if you like, please subscribe the Code with Ilyasoft, like and share.